Hey guys, it's Allison. So I did not do an intro to this video, but I did a quick little days in my life. Most of it is one day, but then I added a couple more days into it just to spice it up, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below any videos you want me to see next, subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video, and let's get started. Okay, so I have not talked in this vlog yet, but here I am. I'm going to do a small mini haul. So we are going to start off with MAC. I was kind of looking for the Squirt new lip balm, lip gloss thing, but they didn't have it. So I just got a lipstick, and it is right here. So one of them is in Mocha. And then this one is gonna be a discontinued one, but this is called Chili Popper. This is the Shine lipstick. So I got these two. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how it looks. So this is, I haven't shopped at MAC in a long time. MAC was one of my favorite places to go when I used to be into makeup. And yeah, here is, ooh. Here's Mocha. So pretty. And then this is Chili Popper. This is like a reddish shine color. Move on to Old Navy. I got it in this pineapple bag. So quick little things before I get into the clothes. I got a Tide stick. Got this huge clip, more scrunchies, a lip roller, and earrings. So what I got for clothes, the first thing that I got for clothes is, you saw this before in the little clip that I took in the dressing room, but this is gonna go over that dress that I was wearing. So I got this shirt. This was in the men's section, and this is just a small. It has like, it's just nice. It's like a nude color, so I feel like this can go with everything if I get cold or something during this summertime, you know, when we go into a cool place or something. And here is the dress that I showed you guys also in the dressing room. Really cute. My mom spotted it. Really cute dress. I got the dress in black, obviously, because black is always a staple. I got this blue shirt, scallop detailing on the bottom, I guess you can say. So those are the things I got in Old Navy. And then my mom got me this bracelet, the one that has the blue little stones on them. And then we got another one, and this one is like really popular now, like this style for some reason. This is like on rings now, like the little pear shape with the emerald. Like, got a pair of Crocs, and then I got these little Jimbits. Is that what it's called? Don't know what it's called, but I got the Captain America one, the avocado pineapple and Minnie and Mickey. So they're just like the nude ones. I have the white ones and then I have the colorful ones. So yeah, gotta get some nude ones. And the other day, my mom got me stuff from Urban. So she got me this bag. This is the Bagoo crossbody bag. So this is very huge, bigger than the Lululemon bag, which I have too. So I ended up using this one today, and as you guys saw in the beginning. And then she got me these cute little shirts. I love blue, so perfect. Last but not least, I got a Pauline bag, a brand from Paris, I believe. And the bags are like unique, honestly, to me. So had to go to the store and pick one up, and my mom got it for me for my birthday. So thanks, Mom. So here it is. It's in this white simple box. This is called the numeral GIX, and I'm just gonna open it. Oh, it's actually like a beige color, not a white box. So this is how it looks when you open it, and it shows you how to change the strap and everything like that. And then when you open it, it comes with the dust bag, and here is the beautiful bag. I'm so excited. It comes with a longer strap, so you can wear it on the side longer, or you could do crossbody bag. But at the moment, it has a shorter strap on it, so it looks like this. Has the brand name on it, and it kind of reminds me of the Dior bag, honestly. So the bag looks like this, and it's so cute because they get to engrave on the bag for you for free after you buy the bag. And I just put, obviously, Allison Teresa on the side, on both sides. Where's the other side? Here it is. It's really cute because you can personalize it with your initials, and after, if you put your initials on it, then it's final sale. But if you don't put your initials on it, obviously you can return it. But you could put up to 3 letters. So this one has the 2 letters, so it actually goes this way. But with my longer strap, I have it going down because I have the 3 letters on it. So yeah, so this is just the bag. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Let me go somewhere else to show you. This is how the bag looks. Super duper cute. I should actually take a picture of it in the mirror over there, but that's how the bag looks. I feel like, oh, it's so cute, so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside, how it looks. So you just open it up. It has, what does it have inside already? I'm just kidding. It has the paper. So I don't want to take out the paper, but it's pretty roomy in here, honestly. Probably do a video on this bag, like maybe in the future, be like a what's in my bag or whatever it is. But here is the bag. So cute, super duper cute. Here is the bag, super duper cute. Can't wait to style it and wear it. But that was everything in my haul. So mini story time. I forgot to tell you guys during the haul, but so I was minding my own business. I was shopping, right? And I was walking, minding my own business, and a bug got onto my glasses. So I was like, oh, let me clean this off. This is gonna bother me, like if it's like crawling all over my glasses, you know? So I take it off. And while I put my glasses back on, right in front of me, walking past me, was Matt James. If you don't know who Matt James is, he is from The Bachelor. I'll put a picture right there. And even though I didn't watch his season, I was like, oh my goodness, I actually saw him in real life. He was just like, oh my goodness, that's so crazy that I've seen someone famous. Because I always say I never see anyone famous. I didn't say anything though, obviously, but I was like in shock. So I kept walking. I was like, wow, I actually saw a famous person, you know? And then, you know, keep minding my own business. I'm shopping still. And I'm in the Pauline store getting my bag. And when I'm trying to think of which bag to choose from, this Asian guy walks in, right? And I was like, wait, I know who he is. A whole YouTuber. If you don't know who Elliot Choi is, I'll put a picture of him on the screen too. Whole YouTuber. He hasn't posted in a while though. But like, I was like, oh my goodness, he's sitting right here in front of us. But I did not say anything. He just kept looking at me and I was like, why is he looking at me? Does he think I'll recognize him? Because I do, but I'm not going to say anything, you know? I'm not going to cause a scene. But yeah, those are the two people I saw today. And I was like, wow, that is shocking for me. Like, the fact that I said, if you guys were with me during my Key West vlog, I posted up here on the iCard, but that was the first time I saw a famous person in Key West. I forgot her name, but I'm gonna put her on the screen when I do find her. And then I also saw Action Kid, which I'll put on the screen as well. I saw those two people in Key West. No, I don't think so. So I saw those two people, which is funny because it's like a famous like reality show kind of person and then a YouTuber, which is so funny. But yeah, that's who I saw today. That was my quick story time. But yeah, I just wanted to eat out this, have it in my memories, you know. And yeah, just wanted to tell you guys.